Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video of mine. Today we will be going through the modifications and accessories that I've added on to my Kawasaki Vulcan 900B Classic. Before we go into the detail, just let me take you around the bike for an overall view. Alright, let's get started. The obvious modification that I carried on my motorcycle here is the wrap. The original color is not as this. This is actually a wrap that I had carried out on the bike with those designs and decals attached to it as well. The links to the various videos where I carried out modifications are listed below in case you would like to have a look at them as well. Right. The first and foremost, let's zero in onto the bat wing fairing. I've installed this bat wing fairing onto the bike, for I did not feel quite comfortable without it, with the wind hitting onto me while we go on rides. So I think with the bat wing fairing, I find it's most comfortable and as though it's like streamlined for the ride. I think it speeds. Then coming down here is the leg fairing, which I got it from a local online store. This leg wing fairings are just basic with pockets. It does not have a speaker port holder, probably next in line. And the next thing we want to cover is the radiator cover. Quite helpful just in case it sort of protects the radiator from any kind of damage from a secondary missile that you may encounter while riding. And I've got these lights here. I've added on these lights so I am more visible from the front to opposing traffic vehicle. These here are the HD side boxes that I have attached, and this here is a GV top box, 55 liter capacity. I have also fabricated this backrest. I had to fabricate it because at the time when I was looking for it about 3, 4, 5 years ago, I could not find one in any online stores except for on places like Amazon and eBay, but they seem to cost an arm and a leg, so I decided it was cheaper to actually fabricate it. They're very comfortable on long distance rides. Then you have the stencils here, just for the sake of it. For those long rides that I sometimes go on, I had acquired this gadget. It's actually the wrist control. As you can see, you place your wrist on it and it helps instead of keeping a firm grip on the throttle all the time and you get cramps on your hands. And if it's much longer than that and straight roads, I've got this throttle lock. Since the Vulcan 900 does not come with cruise control, so I find the throttle lock here very convenient. Once you hit a straight road and you want to maintain that speed, so all you do is just flick this up and it locks your throttle at that position. And if you want to get out of it, all you do is just turn forward and it's unlocked. And here are the 600 watt Bluetooth speakers. I was actually quite unsure as to whether I should put the speakers on the bike, especially if it's audible when you are riding, and the noise that is emitted kind of thing. But I'm glad to say that there's no such problems. You can hear your music very well. This here is a GPS that I installed because I found it much more convenient to have something installed there rather than using my handphone to find my way to my destinations. This here is the handphone holder, and this is a remote control, line remote control for the Bluetooth speakers. And at the back here you can see is my power source as well as the voltage meter. This shows me the voltage of my battery, and this here is a USB. I had to put some cellophane away because I lost the cover in one of my rides. And this here is for your cigarette lighter socket. Down here I also have my gear indicator. This gadget here actually shows what gear I am in, just in case you forget yourself. As I said, the HD box. Yeah, this is something that I added on. I took this out from my old box and fixed it onto the GV box. And this is a flag holder that I had again fabricated. However, the base on which it is standing is actually purchased online. And I guess that's about it. I definitely enjoy my rides on the bike. It's very comfortable with my music and my backrest. This is a hell of a bike to ride, especially, I find it very comfortable. Thank you for tuning into this channel and listening to my modifications on my Vulcan 900B. I like to hear comments from you. Please feel free to write down your comments below, and hopefully we can exchange ideas and possible suggestions. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like. Till the next time, ride safe.